Hi guys, I am Dr. Prasanta. I secured All India Rank 235 in recently conducted INICET July session and All India Rank 1217 in NEETPG 2022. I know this is not a top rank or excellent rank, but for me this is a very good rank, a decent rank. I am very happy. In this journey, Marrow custom module helped me a lot. I think it will help you too. Solving custom module regularly is one of the most powerful strategy to boost up your preparation. Whatever online platform you have, either Marrow, DAMS, Prepladder, Bhatia, Doc Tutorials, try to solve custom module regularly. It will boost your preparation one step forward. I had only one platform, that is Marrow. Marrow custom modules are excellent, top-notch quality. I love Marrow. In this video, I will share how to effectively use Marrow custom module. I will share the solving strategy, what I did. So let's go. Open Marrow. Now go to qbank section. Top right corner there is custom module section. Now select the number of questions, 10, 25, 50 or 100. Suppose you have very short free time, 9 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Then you choose 10. Suppose you have more than that, 20 minutes free time or 25 minutes free time, then you choose 25. So the number of questions depends upon whatever free time you have. I usually select 25 because according to me, solving 25 questions 2 times or 4 times per day is far better than solving 50 questions or 100 questions at once. Now difficulty level. Select the difficulty level at medium. In real exams, 70% questions of the exam are medium level. Most of the questions are not too easy or not too hard. So get stick into the medium level. Now select the subject. I will suggest you select all the subjects because in real exam, questions are from all the 19 subjects. So don't get stick into specific subjects. I will suggest you to do all the subjects. Next, tags. I usually select 4 tags: aims, recent NEET, clinical and image based. Because if you select aims and recent NEET, then you will cover the previous year questions. And if you select image based and clinical, you will cover clinically oriented questions, which is the recent trend. If you regularly do 50 to 100 questions, means select 25 questions, do it 2 times or 4 times a day, you will cover almost 70% of Marrow qbank. Our aim is to cover the high yield area of Marrow qbank as much as possible. Now next, I will suggest you to do a regular mode because in this mode you will solve the questions and analyze the answers simultaneously. Now create. Wait for a minute. Now solve. So that's how you can solve and revise many high-yield topics through Marrow custom modules. Solve the custom module regularly and day by day you will gather enough confidence to do even the difficult questions. So that's it. Practice MCQ frequently through custom modules. See you in next video. All the very best. Tata.